fixtures? You know, lawyers, again, we use lots of fancy language, and fixtures are, when it relates to real estate, is stuff that's attached to your house or your land. So the alternative is a chattel. So a chattel is just something like a thing, like your phone, like a boot, like a dish. And so the difference between a chattel and fixture we'll talk about in another video, but we're going to talk about fixtures. So things that are affixed. And as a general rule, if something's going to cause damage to remove it because it's attached to the property, then it's a fixture. It's affixed to the property. That contractually and in terms of case law and everything is part of the land. So if you have a house which is attached to the ground, it is a fixture. If you have a RV or a mobile home that's just sitting on the ground but not affixed to it, then it's not a fixture. So it's the attachment part is what defines what a fixture is. This is going to be important because if you have fixtures, you don't get those with your house. So if your grandma gave you the ones that we see often are these fancy lamps that go over dining room tables or pool tables, and you want to sell your house and you want to take that with you, that fixture doesn't automatically go to you. You've got to exclude it from the contract. So when you're listing your property with the realtor, you want to make sure you talk to them about, hey, this is something that's attached that I want to take with me. That's a fixture. They're very specific. If you have a TV that's bolted on the wall, the stand is definitely affixed. That's a fixture of the property. You can't just take it and leave holes in the wall. Historically, we've seen things where we have built-in wall safes. People take those out and there's this big gap in the property. You can't do it. Contractually, you've got to exclude that from the contract so it doesn't go with the home. Also, when you're going into like a debt situation with someone, fixtures are part of that. So those form part of the security. You can't just remove them. It's important to know what a fixture is, not just when you're selling, but also when you're buying a home, because you want to make sure that you know the difference between the two. You want to make sure that you're getting what you think you're going to get. If it's not affixed, you're not going to get it unless it's put into the contract. So your realtor can help you, your real estate lawyer can help you in terms of determining whether something is a fixture or not. Bottom line is, when you're buying or selling and there's things that are important to you, know the difference so you don't run into problems.